Overnight curls. What are overnight curls and how do you get them? It really helps if you have some layering in your hair and also maybe a slight natural wave. And what I do to achieve my overnight curls is at night I'll take a shower, I will not shampoo my hair, and I'll add conditioner, and that's it. The reason why I don't shampoo my hair sometimes when the hair is overly cleansed, it gets to get fluffy versus, and you lose the actual curl. It becomes more like fluff. I find when hair is like 2, 3, or even more days old, I get better results with overnight curl. So I will rinse the hair, condition, and then comb it through, and then squeeze it out and squeeze it out, squeeze all the excess wetness out of your hair. And then before wrapping up into a turban, if you have one, if not, a towel will do, an old t-shirt will do too, then I load it with the Everyday Miracle treatment, which is a very lightweight leave-in conditioner. Wrap it up in the turban, and then I go to sleep. And then when I wake up in the morning, mind you, sometimes it does come off at night. I will advise you, depends how rough you are, rough of a sleeper you are, and sometimes, I don't know, I end up doing the fandango. But anyway, you take the turban off, give your hair a really good shake, and then, because I have a lot of layers, you will see that you've got this overnight wave and curl. If your layers are a lot longer than mine, you will get much more of a looser, and especially if you have a natural bend or a slight wave, it doesn't have to be curly, a slight wave, this will work too. I've had longer layers in the past, and this is my favorite way to style my hair, especially in the summer when it's hot and humid. So again, this is overnight curls.